Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure Telegram is updated and global search is enabled. This prevents missing results. Open the app and tap the search bar at the top, then type clear keywords, hashtags, or a known at username. Focus your effort by switching the results view to groups so you only see group matches. Once you see entries, glance at group member counts and previews to decide which to inspect next. And remember why targeted keywords save time versus broad terms. Once you have initial hits, refine the search to get relevant groups faster. Try exact phrases or combine tightly related keywords so Telegram ranks closer matches higher. Look for group-specific hashtags, inside posts, or known invite prefixes to spot public invites. Tapping a preview message reveals the group context. If native search feels limited, use community directory channels or dedicated group finder bots that index public groups. To finish, open the group profile and read the description and rules so you know the culture before joining. Member count and recent messages show activity levels. Tap join and post a brief intro. Mute notifications if you want to observe first. If you can't find groups, update Telegram, clear cache, or alter keywords. Sometimes plural versus singular makes a difference. Make sure privacy settings allow global search access. If issues persist, restart the app and retry more specific queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.